Hi, this is Umsi. Now we are going to explain email communication. Explanation. Guidelines to write emails. Formal emails. Formal emails are similar to formal letters. Now we are going to how to write formal emails. Formal emails are opening with dear sir or madam, closing with yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Vocabulary. Thank you. I would like to apologize for. I would appreciate it if you. Unfortunately, I will not be able to. Semi-formal letters are opening with Dear John or Dear Mr. Sharath like this. Closing with Regards yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Informal letters are opening with Hi Kavi, Hello Bhavan, Hi, etc. Closing with Best wishes, all the best. And vocabulary is going with Thank you, sorry, for, can, you, I can't like this. For example, email to your friend about your visit to place information importance. For abc@gmail.com to xyz@gmail.com. Subject is my visit to the museum. My dear Ravi, I got your letter asking me about my visit to a museum. I am writing this letter to tell you my experience. Last week I went to see the State Government Museum Chennai. It is a multi-purpose museum located in Igmore, which is the heart of the city. It is situated in an area of 16.25 acres of land. 6 independent buildings in the museum campus has 46 galleries. First I visit the numismatic department. As you know, numismatic is the study of coin. It is important for the study of history, especially ancient history. It conforms, modifies and even amplifies history. The museum has a rich collection of the ancient, medieval and modern Indian coins, gold, silver, copper, lead, 14 and billion. Besides this, there is a representative collection of foreign coinage. Next I went into the archaeology section. The archaeology section of the museum is primarily concerned with the acquisition, preservation and display of antiquities of the historic period of South India. The antiquities consist of sulfur, its article pieces, metal and stone inscription which have a bearing on the best history and social life of the people of this part of India. The Chennai Museum has a good collection of painting and sculptures, both traditional and modern. Tanjavur painting depict the figures of Tanjavur, Martha King and Queen and Puranic mythological sessions from Tamil lecturers. Rajput painting belongs to 16th and 17th century AD. The Raja Ravi Varma painting, which are considered as national treasures, has been placed in a gallery with fiber optic lighting. It was definitely a memorable experience. I had shared only the tip of an iceberg here. I will tell you more in detail when we meet in a person. I would like to take you there someday, as I know that you are interested in learning about the history of our country. Awaiting your reply with love.